Alright, I'm up in, I guess technically I think I'm either on the border of Sevierville or going into Gatlinburg. I'm up here by the buffalo, and the babies are down on the other side of the creek, so I'm not going to try to film them. I'm going to find a bathroom, and then I'm going to head into the mountains. I just wanted to show you a little bit of the Crafters Loop up here. We are supposed to get thunderstorms later, so you can probably see the clouds, but this is the back way into the Crafters Loop. You pass the buffalo, and then you come up to a stop sign here, and you can go left or right, and there's a bunch of little shops that sell their crafts and stuff. And I'm just having a nice Mother's Day, doing some driving around up in the mountains, and I'm going to stop at some streams and stuff and get some video for you. But it's a real nice drive through here. You just drive slow and you get to see all the little shops. Hopefully the public bathrooms are open today. There's some restaurants along through here. I think I've eaten at almost all of them now, the ones that are open at least when I usually come through here. I have not eaten at the Fox and Parrot Tavern because frankly I've been there and I looked at their menu and I didn't really see anything I thought I'd like, so I decided not to eat there, but I've eaten at quite a few of the other places around here. I think so far my favorite one is up here a little ways. It's called Split Rail Eats. It's in that little area where there's I think there's apartments there, there's Airbnbs there, and then there's a bunch of shops.